Hey folks, cool front moving through the valley as we speak. Temperatures dropping in the upper valley after being up around 80 or so, now down into the 60s. 70 here in Weslaco after being in the upper 70s about an hour ago, and still in the 70s in the coastal counties. But that front will continue to push eastward as it does. 2 points in temperatures will drop. Not much on the radar over the valley right now. Everything that's on here is moving south to north. Upper level winds still strong out of the south and carrying all that moisture northward. We go a little bit wider though and look at Texas. What a mess. As expected, this big upper air storm that's still sitting way back here, just feeding a ton of moisture into the state of Texas. The front now all the way down to us, so that moisture is going up and over the cooler, drier air at the surface. And then you've got just all kinds of reasons why it should rain. It has been doing that. Not so much here, but as we talked about, most of it's to the north of us. There's still some moisture back to the southwest, though, that we think will probably sneak across portions of South Texas tonight. And we still have the potential for a shower, maybe even a thunder shower, but any threat of severe weather moves away once that front goes through. Fronts are already halfway through the valley. If it makes it all the way to the coast without any thunder and lightning, then that's about it for anything big. Still, though, rain a possibility because there's a lot of moisture back to the southwest. The upper disturbance still kind of hanging back over northwestern Mexico, and that's the real spark to get this stuff going. So you look at the surface map and you can see where the front is pretty easily. Still 68 in McAllen. Front just went through there, but 55 Laredo, 51 in San Antonio. Del Rio's only 48, 30s in the northern part of the state. Here's the real, we kind of drew it in loosely there. Here's what it really looks like and all that rain here. Here's the upper air low still sitting back in northwest Mexico. Well, that upper air low, that's the thing that's really going to help to trigger stuff. Early in the morning, notice we do have showers here. And until that low gets off to our east and the upper level winds shift and come out of the northwest, then we'll finally push the clouds out. In the meantime, look at this, 4 o'clock in the morning, ice and snow in the Texas Panhandle. Lubbock's been dealing with it all day today. Southern New Mexico seeing ice and snow as well. In the meantime, the front sitting just offshore, so we have a northerly wind pushing cooler temperatures down into the valley along with that area of scattered showers that we see. By 10 o'clock in the morning, the rain starts to move out because the low is just about through. By the time you get to 5 o'clock, the low's to our north, upper level winds now to the northwest. Those push the clouds out of the way, and by Sunday, we're back to sunshine once again. So you've still got about 18 hours or so now through midday tomorrow to deal with clouds and probably some showers. But after that, the sun is back. Now that north wind's going to bring some chillier temperatures in here. Tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, all look much cooler than what we've been. The next front on the map probably won't get to us. So again, here's the front right on top of the valley. It pushes through. Some more rain overnight tonight. Could be a brief rumble of thunder, but nothing big or severe, we don't believe, because again, that front has already gone through. By 9 o'clock in the morning, still clouds, maybe a leftover shower. By 4 in the afternoon, we're still overcast. But look how it clears out overnight. And then Sunday, it's just bright sunshine most of the day. And that goes from Monday as well as the cooler temperatures build into deep South Texas. We're talking about only 50s most of the day tomorrow, and then 60s on Sunday and Monday. 30% chance early tomorrow, then we're dry after that. Here's your low temperatures tonight, low 50s. Your rain chance overnight stands at about 70%, but then during the daytime tomorrow, only about 30%. Tomorrow's highs only in the upper 50s. So for tonight across the valley, 53 for a low, breezy, chilly, showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but not severe. Again, that threat seems to be passing pretty quickly. Then tomorrow, maybe a leftover shower in the first half of the day. After that, still some clouds. It's still breezy, but only in the 50s all day long. 50s tomorrow, 62 on Sunday, 63 on Monday. Lows down in the 40s. You will want jackets early in the morning the next couple of days. Next week, we do warm it back up, throwing a shower threat about Thursday of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We all know Joel Villanueva has followed the football team to San Antonio to the Alamo Dome. But Joel, I trust you're being a good weather tracker too, and you're not inside the Alamo Dome. You're out in the rain, right?